Hey there, my name is Derek Henry with XLEV8 Consulting, and in this how-to video we're going to talk about a macro called Create Subfolders. Now what this macro will do is pretty much embedded in the name. It's going to create folders within your directory structure. Now to see how this works, we're going to search in the macro box for Create Subfolders, it's top one here, and what that's going to do is create a settings sheet called Create Subfolders. I know, shocking, right? And you're able to say what is the parent going to be and what subfolder name should be created within that parent folder. Really simple, right? Both of those are required, and when you do that, it's going to loop through all the different things that you tell it to and create the folders. Now I've already done that, so to show you what that would look like, okay, a couple of things here. This is one that's already been created, so here's the parent folder path, here's the subfolder name. We're going to create some folders for different periods, so here are each of the years, and within those here are weekly folders for each of them. Okay, now the idea is when you use Excel to do this, you can drag and drop and create them very, very quickly, a lot quicker than you can just doing it manually within Windows File Explorer. So here are going to be the subfolders, and then within those, notice how we've added 2020, etc. We've added those down. Excel makes this really easy because you can use formulas. So while I did these manually, over here I'm using the year, we're putting the date in place. This is the very first day, just to know that we're using the right one. Here's a formula for the date, and then this goes all the way down toward the very bottom, all 5 years worth. So you can create all of these in Excel. You can create this list in a minute or two, reuse it over and over again. Maybe you've got a process where you roll forward your file structure every month or every year. Let this help you do it really, really quickly. And in the same token, you can do this with files themselves, but in this example, we're going to be looking at folders. So here's what we're looking at. With the sheet filled in, right? The first time you run this, it looks for the sheet, create subfolders. If it doesn't find it, it'll create it. Here's the instructions, guide you through, use the comments here in the headers, fill it in, then run it again, and here's what's going to happen. Now before I run that, I want to show you that these folders don't exist yet. So here is the folder, right? There are no folders here other than what you're seeing here. We're going to run this, and you'll see what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so running it again, filled out the sheet, it does exist. And it's looping through, and every time you see green, it's created the folders and the subfolders within them. Okay, so once we get through, let's see, there's 52 weeks in a year, time is 5 years. We're doing about 260 or so. In fact, it'll tell us how many. Oh, 319. We did 6 years. That's right. There's 319 folders just got created in, what, 15 seconds? And here's what that looks like. So here are all the new ones within 2020. Here's all the folders. Now, this is intentional with this format of date. When you do the 4-digit year dash 2-digit month dash 2-digit day, it will sort it automatically in a descending way. Now, sometimes Windows Explorer is pretty smart about how to sort things just based on the name and what it thinks might be dates. This way, it's guaranteed. No matter what you're looking at, that's just the way it naturally looks. That's why you see that structure in so many databases and other applications. So they're all going to be in the right order. Okay, now this works really well with other things like copying or pasting or moving around and renaming files themselves, or even creating shortcuts within these. So that's what you can look for in a separate video. But for this one, that's it. We've done all this. You can save this for later and maybe just have just a couple of inputs and reference off of those inputs and make this really easy and reusable. So thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.